In today's video we will be talking about liver. Your liver plays a crucial role in your overall health, but it can be affected by various factors. In this video, we'll explore the 10 signs that may indicate liver problems, helping you recognize potential issues early. Additionally, we'll share valuable tips for maintaining a healthy liver, including dietary recommendations, lifestyle changes, and preventive measures. Don't wait until it's too late. Learn how to keep your liver healthy and functioning optimally. Watch now and take control of your liver health. Subscribe for more health tips and informative content. Certainly. Here are 10 signs of liver problems and tips for maintaining a healthy liver. 1. Jaundice, yellowing of the skin and eyes. Jaundice, marked by yellowing of the skin and eyes, signals potential liver issues due to bilirubin buildup. This condition often accompanies dark urine and pale stools. Prompt medical evaluation is crucial to identify underlying causes and initiate proper treatment for liver health. 2. Fatigue, persistent tiredness and weakness. Fatigue, characterized by ongoing tiredness and weakness, can be indicative of liver problems. When the liver is compromised, it may struggle to process toxins efficiently, leading to feelings of fatigue. Persistent fatigue warrants medical attention to assess liver function and address any underlying issues promptly. 3. Abdominal pain or swelling, discomfort or swelling in the abdominal area. Abdominal pain or swelling can signify liver problems, as the liver is located in the upper right part of the abdomen. Discomfort or swelling in this area may indicate liver inflammation or enlargement. It's essential to consult a healthcare professional if you experience persistent abdominal pain or swelling to evaluate liver health and determine appropriate treatment. For dark urine, urine that appears darker than usual. 5. Pale stools, light-colored stools. Dark urine and pale stools are signs of liver problems, indicating possible issues with bile production or flow. Dark urine suggests elevated bilirubin levels, while pale stools indicate insufficient bile reaching the intestines. If you notice these changes, seek medical attention for liver function assessment and appropriate management. 6. Nausea or vomiting. Persistent nausea or vomiting may indicate liver issues due to toxin buildup, necessitating medical evaluation for liver function assessment. 7. Loss of appetite, reduced desire to eat. Loss of appetite, characterized by a reduced desire to eat, can be a sign of liver problems, as liver dysfunction can affect metabolism and digestion. If experiencing persistent loss of appetite, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for liver function assessment. 8. Unexplained weight loss, significant weight loss without dieting or exercise. Unexplained weight loss, significant without dietary changes, may signal liver issues like disease or impaired function. This weight loss may result from factors such as decreased appetite or altered metabolism related to liver health. 9. Itchy skin, persistent itching, especially on the hands and feet. Itchy skin, particularly on the hands and feet, can indicate liver problems, as the liver plays a role in filtering toxins from the body. If experiencing persistent itching, especially in these areas, it's essential to seek medical evaluation to assess liver function and address any underlying issues promptly. 10. Easy bruising or bleeding, increased tendency to bruise or bleed easily. Easy bruising or bleeding, characterized by an increased tendency to bruise or bleed easily, can be a sign of liver problems due to impaired production of clotting factors. The liver produces proteins necessary for blood clotting, and dysfunction can lead to easy bruising or prolonged bleeding. If experiencing these symptoms, seeking medical evaluation is crucial to assess liver function and address any potential concerns promptly. In summary, being aware of the 10 signs of liver problems is crucial for early detection and intervention. By adopting healthy lifestyle habits and seeking medical attention for concerning symptoms, you can safeguard your liver health and overall wellness. Remember, proactive care and timely intervention are key to maintaining a healthy liver.